How to switch TikTok account from private to public in just a few easy steps. Launch the app on your smartphone and log into your account. Tap the profile icon located in the bottom right corner of the screen. In your profile, tap the three horizontal lines in the top right corner to open the menu. From the menu, choose Settings and Privacy. In the Settings menu, tap on Privacy. This section contains various privacy options for your account. At the top of the privacy settings, you'll see an option labeled Private Account. If this is enabled, it means your account is currently private. Tap the toggle switch to disable it. A confirmation prompt may appear asking if you're sure you want to make your account public. Confirm this choice. Once confirmed, anyone can view your videos and follow you, increasing your visibility on the platform. By following these steps, you can easily switch back and forth between private and public accounts as needed. Thank you so much for watching this video. Subscribe.